In this video, let me show you and guide you through how you can search the App Store on the iPhone. So, of course, the first step is to get inside of the App Store. I have it on the home screen, but if you don't, just swipe all the way to the right like this to the app library, and there you can find App Store. So, of course, you get inside as usual, and at the bottom, you have a few buttons like the Today view, games, apps, arcade, but in at the bottom right, we have search. So you can go there, click on the search again, and look up any particular phrase you are looking for. For instance, a lot of people search for apps like Instagram. If you know the particular name of the app you're looking for, you can type that in. Of course, you might see the result right away. For me, here it is. But also some suggested apps like other social media types, social media type of apps and so on. So it suggests some apps I might like as well. So that's very useful, and obviously you can see all of these suggestions. But if you don't know exact name of the app which you are looking for, then you can use the browse feature. So again, in the search section, we have the browse like that. Some different categories, you can scroll through and click on it specifically like that. So as you can see, some games or like puzzle games or whatever, or just click on the browse button, and now we get to this page. So we can manage either games. So I'm going to switch to apps only, and there are like very specific categories of apps. Some apps for the currency, like banking apps, social media apps, food related apps, right? So if I click on the food apps, right, I can see the fast food apps which are currently available for me, right? So that's like very useful, because that way you can find apps which you don't necessarily know the name of just yet, right? So that's how you can also find and search through the App Store. So let me know what you think, subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.